Yo, what up? Welcome back to another video. This video is about the S2K being pretty much like it's running like crap basically, and I think I found the problem why. It's kind of like misfiring at higher RPMs. Take a look at this. Look at all that oil on the fucking coil pack. Look at all that. These weren't that bad, but these are literally like just dripping oil. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm order I believe those are the little like boosts that go in the valve cover in the inside of it. So I need to order that. I'm gonna just order new coil packs and new spark plugs, and that should fix the problem. Also, I bought these OEM pigtails for the coil packs because I had two missing, which were these. I just replaced brand new. I'm gonna replace this one because also like it's crap. Look at that, they're all like loose in there. I'm replacing this one as well. So and also I need to change the cam sensor one, which is back there. Should be pretty easy. That's gonna be harder, that's why I wasn't doing it myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and change all that, and honestly I'm gonna try to change the boots for the valve cover today. I'm gonna see if I can find them in auto parts or something. But the coil packs and spark plugs, I am gonna order Denso, and I'm order them from Rock Auto, which is much cheaper. It's $160. I'm pretty sure if I go to auto part or something, it'd be like freaking, I don't know, who knows how much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do all that, and then we're gonna go to auto part and see how those boots comparison of the new one of course. Look at that, old one all broken. It's crazy. So thank God that was cheap. It was only $17, and they are OEM. So yep, pigtails in. It's really easy. Like this black piece, you basically just get the wires, put them in until you hear like a little click, and then this little blue thing just goes inside, connects inside. And yeah, I also just changed the cam sensor one. Easy to show you. There you go. It was on, well, it literally came out in pieces. It was the old one, and yeah, I've been running the car like that. It's crazy. So yeah, all of that connects now. Perfectly fine. And yeah, I'm gonna go to AutoZone to at least get the valve covers. What I would do with these is just dry them up, and also the spark plugs, and see how the car runs after that until the new spark plugs and coil packs come in. So I'm gonna just go online right now and see if they have them. What I'm gonna do right now is just remove the valve cover. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got the valve cover out. It's pretty easy. It's like 5 bolts. It's 1, 2, oh no, actually 4 bolts. So I got that out, and I had found my problem why that thing was full of oil. So I just put them back on right now, even though I'm not gonna use them because I actually found a friend that's selling a OEM pair, and so I'm gonna pick that up from him. So these two right here were missing. They're actually probably really loose right now. Actually, I put them back in so they get pretty tight. Damn. Okay, but whatever. Point is, these two were not in their holes. They were out. So only these two were. So either way, I'm still gonna go replace them, even though maybe like the previous owner, I don't know, didn't put them good enough in there, or I don't know what happened. But yeah, this looks good though. Looks like it had its you know, its frequent oil changes. Valve cover looks pretty clean. It's not like all dark or anything, so that's a good sign. So I'm gonna just wait on that guy gets out of work at 3 or 4. He said it's currently like 1 o'clock right now, so I need to wait on him, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I'm gonna cover this up right now because I don't want just close. I don't want dirt getting in there or anything like that. And yeah, just wait on that, change that, start the car up and see how it runs. Got the new tube seals on. You get this out with a flathead and a hammer, and then you just hammer these in with a mallet. And I bought them OEM, of course. Let me show you. Damn, I don't know where the hell I left the bag. Oh, my bad. OEM. These are the old ones. So what I'm gonna do now is get the. I dried out the spark plugs and they're like with oil. I dried them up. I dried out the inside of those tubes, and I'll put the valve cover back on. All right, guys. So I got the valve cover back on. I got the coil packs back in. I cleaned them up inside and out, so there's no more oil in that. Also, these were the old, I don't know, like valve cover. Let me show you. These are the new ones, all shiny. They came with what I bought. Well, they come with a valve cover gasket, which I didn't change. I'm gonna do that when I paint the valve cover, so I can do it at the same time. Yeah. All I got left to do is connect the coil packs back in. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and then we'll start her up. Alright guys, so it's currently the next day. Yesterday I just you know, it got too dark, so I didn't keep filming. So, but the car started up. Everything's fine. I did some pulls last night. It's running like a dream now. You guys don't know how frustrated I was with the car, because the car was running like crap for like 2-3 weeks, and I didn't like. Actually, I didn't like really look into it because I was lazy, and I just wanted to take it to a mechanic. But yep, you guys take it for some pulls. Yeah, I also just finished washing her. Actually for that drive I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get my GoPro because I'm currently recording with my phone. I just finished cleaning my car, you know, see the vacuum there. It's decent. Decent interior. You guys enjoyed that video. You know, just some maintenance on the car. Wanted to run good, but yeah, the car wasn't running like that for like a couple of weeks, and I was so frustrated. And I was actually waiting on one of my mechanics to take it to him, but you know, he took too long, and so I just went ahead and decided to fix it myself. And thank God I did it, because all I really spent was 60 bucks on, you know, some gaskets and stuff like that. And you know, the car is running good now, so yeah. I'll see you guys on the next video, man.